Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to crochet the bobble stitch. Now I love this stitch, it works up really quickly and as you can see it gives you this fantastic texture. So without any hesitation, let's jump straight in. Now the first thing to remember when making the bobble stitch is that the wrong side is always going to face you. It's always going to face you as you work, as then they will stick out. So I'm going to work into the next stitch and I'm going to start off as if I'm making a double crochet. So I'm going to wrap the yarn over my hook, jump straight into that next stitch, grab hold and pull through, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops on my hook. Now I'm going to repeat this until I have a total of 6 loops on my hook. So I'm going to yarn over, jump straight into that stitch, grab hold and pull through, yarn over, and then pull through 2 loops. So now I've got 3. So again, yarn over into that same stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, into that same stitch, grab hold and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, and last time yarn over into that same stitch again, dive right in, grab hold and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. So now you see I have got 6 stitches on my hook. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through all 6 stitches, like so. Next I'm going to just poke that through with my thumb, and into the next stitch I'm going to pop a tight single crochet. So single crochet, pull it nice and tight on that working tail, and as you can see it makes it really stick out. It really bursts out. So I'll do one more with you. I'll work over to where I need to go. So I yarn over and then into the stitch, pull through 2, and then we're going to do that until we've got 5 loops on the hook. So we do that second part 5 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on the hook, and then poke it through with my thumb just so I know it will stand out. And then into the next stitch, single crochet, and then pull it tight on the working tail so it really sticks out. So there we go, that's how we create the bobble stitch. As you can see, it does work up really quickly, and it's a nice yarn eater as well if you need to get rid of some quick. So thank you so much for watching. I really hoped you enjoyed learning how to make this stitch, and please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my weekly tips, tricks and free crochet patterns. So once again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.